Hello my padi dem, I dey greet una today. Welcome again for my class today. Remember, for our last lesson, we talk about 3 different methods wey we go take use solve LCM problem. We talk say dem get 3 methods. 1, multiples method, 2, prime factorization method, and 3, division method. We don look multiple method, but today we wan look prime factorization method. Make you no forget, my name na Nwafọ Emeka Gideon and this na EG Nwafọ Online Maths. Na me be your padi for this class. Before we go start the solve problem, I wan explain this topic for us well. I wan explain wetin be factor, I wan explain wetin be prime, then I go still talk about wetin be prime factors. Shebi you dey follow abi? Oya now. Now, wetin be factors? Factors na numbers wey go fit divide another number without a remainder. You dey follow abi? Factors na number or numbers wey go fit divide another number without a remainder. For example now, see this number 20. 20 get all these other numbers as its own factor. 1 na factor of every number wey you go fit mention. 1 na their factor, because 1 fit divide any number and you go still get that number, which means remainder no dey. As you dey go, 1 fit divide 20, 2 fit divide 20. All these numbers wey dey here fit divide 20. Even 20 itself fit divide 20 and remainder no go dey, which is to tell you that 1 na a factor of every number, and that same number itself na factor of your own self. Shebi you dey follow abi? Now, among all these numbers wey dey here, some of them na prime factors dem be. Now, we go to the next one. Wetin be prime? Prime simply means any number wey be say only one number wey go fit divide am na himself and 1. You get am? Any number wey fit divide am na himself and 1. And examples of such numbers, we get 2, we get 3, we get 5, we still get 7. Continuously dey go like that. I go advise make we sabi the first 10 prime numbers. If we sabi am, e go help us well. See them for here, from 2 to 29. All these numbers wey you see here, all these numbers, they no get any other factor except themselves and 1. Now only them go fit divide themselves, and again 1 go fit divide them, which means all prime numbers they only get 2 factors, themselves and wetin and 1. Now, what about prime factors? Now, prime factors, based on what I talked before, na prime na numbers wey be prime wey follow for the factors of another number. For example, if you look this 20 wey dey here, among all these factors of 20, we still get some factors inside wey be wetin wey be prime factors. Examples of such prime factors for 20 own, we get 2 and we get 5. You will see say among 2 and 5, they no get any other factors except themselves and 1. But if you come to 4 get other factors, you fit divide them. But this other one you can't divide them. 10 you fit divide 10. Even 20 also you fit divide 20. Now what about this 18? All these numbers wey dey are the factors of 18. But among these factors of 18, we still get prime factors wey dey there. Now we get 3, we get 2, and we get 3. 2 and 3 are them be the only prime factors or prime numbers wey dey for the factors of 18. Shebi you dey follow abi? Abeg no forget, these first 10 prime numbers, try make you put them for your head. It go really help you for this problem. Now, we could enter the problem solving part so that you go understand this topic well. Follow me. They give us problem like this. So make we look for the LCM. Make we even use 18 and 20. Find the LCM of, make we say 8, 18 and waiting and 20. Three numbers, make we look for the LCM. What you go do? What you go do now be say, based on the name of this method, prime factorization method, e get how you go take use prime numbers multiply themselves, they will give you the LCM. But for us, make we dey able to do such, what you go do? You get what we will apply, it will help us make we get all the prime numbers or prime factors where each of this number get, we will go multiply, we will give us our LCM, and then we will be able to solve the problem well. But for us to get all those things, you get what we will apply, we will help us. What do they call factor 3? Factor 3 now 3 we will help you get the factors and prime factors of your numbers. Now make we solve this problem. Make we assume say this side now our rough book as usual. Pick your first number 8. Write your 8 for off like this. Just they follow me, you go understand it now you do. Now this 8, you go divide them with prime numbers. The first prime number now 2, followed by 3, followed by 5. So any prime number will fit divide, and I will use the divide. But you could make it start with the smallest. So 2 will fit go. 2. When you divide 2 by 8, it will give you 18. It will give you 4. You still come to the right hand side here. You fit still divide with 2. So when you divide 4 by 2, it will give you 18. It will give you another 2. Once all the numbers we don't divide don't give you prime numbers or prime factors, what you will do, you will stop there. We don't get prime number here, we don't get prime number here, we don't get another prime number here. Now remember, we don't fit divide again, because prime numbers are numbers, so we say they only get the numbers we say they fit just divide themselves, or one go divide them, that is all. So now we don't finish with 8. Look, we go for 18 on. We still write our 18 for here. Our 18, 2 will fit divide 18. We put 2 divide by 18, it will give us 18 9. No be so? 2 no fit divide 9, but 3 fit divide 9. So we put our 3 here. 3 divided by 9, it will be waiting, it will be 3. Remember, 3 is another prime number. We know if you go further again, we go stop here. We get 2, we get 3, I'll get 18, we get 3. You dey see am abi? Another one, we can't go for our 20. I mean, make I use this side because of space. We say 20. Remember, this 3 what they use, they call them factor 3. So 2 will fit divide 20. 2 divided by 20, it will be 2 here, then 10 here. No be so? You come for 10 side. 2 will fit divide 10. How many times? 5 times. No be so? Now 5 na prime number. You know if you divide again. So we'll stop there. You can't be waiting. We get 2 here, we get 2 here, and we get 5 here. Now, see what we will do. Each of these numbers now, we will come list their prime factors. We get 8. Our 8 day here like this. Then it is equal to waiting. We get 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. Remember, 2 times 2 times 2. Now 8. Oh, not be so? So go to the next one, we get 18. Our 18 are 2 times 3 times 18 times another 3. 2 times 3 now 18, 6. 6 times 3 now 18, now 18. Still give us that number. You can see this magic, abi? Prime number now wonderful numbers. Now we'll go to the next one. We get 20. The first one, 2 times 2 and times 5. 2 times 2 now 18, 4. 4 times 5 now 18, now still 20. Now, you get one more thing we will need to do so that we will get our LCM. If you check all these things right there like this, you go check each of these numbers, check their prime number, they multiply each other. Check the ones, you go just select the ones where plenty pass. For example, wherever this one you get plenty 2 2 wey dey here reach 3, but here 2 wey dey here na only 1, and here 2 wey dey here na only 2. So because of that, you go pick 2 wey plenty pass. You go still come again, we get 3. Anyone wey get 3 wey plenty pass, and the 3 wey plenty pass you go choose. And here we get 1 5, which means among all these ones, na only 1 5 dey here, which means only here 5 plenty pass. You dey get abi? What about condition wey be say all the numbers that are the same? For example, we get 2, we get 1 2 here, 1 2 here, and 1 2 here. What we go do for just such condition be say we will just carry 1 2, and that is all. So you understand my talk. Now, when we solve this problem, our LCM will come be the 2. We want to get 2 plenty pass, we will pick them. We get 2 times 2 times 2. We get LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Nothing concern us with other 2 so dey here. Now the one we plenty pass now we want. We can say times. We still get 3 among the numbers so dey here, and the 3 we will get, now this one plenty pass. So we get 3 times weighting times 3 times again. We still get 5 for this number, isn't it? No be so? And only 1 5, which is to say that this 5 nine big pass every other 5 with dey. Moreover, na only 1 5, abi? So this one times weighting times 5 is equal to, now we could multiply 2 times 2 na 4, 4 times 2 na 8, 8 times 3 na 24, and 24 times 3 na 72, 72 times 5 na 360. So here we get 360, which is to say that 360 now be the LCM of weighting of 8, 18, and 20. If to say we use multiple methods to solve this problem, I tell you, e go suffer us well. Now it make e no good make you use just one method at times for mathematics. So this method dey better somehow pass multiple method. We could solve another problem on this so that we understand am well. We get something like this. We want to look for LCM of 12, 8, and 10. We go first of all come for this side, use our factor 3. Our 12 first, we get 12. We go fit divide 12. 12 divided by 2 na 6. Abi? We go again, 2 go fit still go. So 2 in 6 na wetin na 3. We stop here. So we get our 2, and our weighting, and our 3. We go again for 8. We get our 8 here. 2 go fit divide 8. How many times? 4 times. We still get 2 here. 2 go fit divide 4. How many times? 2 times. So once we don't reach like this, we don't reach prime number, we no fit divide again. So we have 2, 2, another 2. Shebi you dey follow abi? You don't get a number, I trust you. Now we get for another one, we get 10. 10 here. So 2 go fit divide 10. 2 in 10 we get 5. But if you reach here, you know say 5 na prime number. You no fit divide again. No. So here we get weighting, we get 2, and we get 5. Now we could represent this. Now we get our 12. Now weighting 2 times weighting times 2 times another one times 3. Remember 2 times 2 na 4, 4 times 3 na 12. We go for the next one, 8. It's now equal to. So our 8 now weighting 2 times 2 times weighting times 2 na still 8. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8. We go for our last one, 10. And just 2 times 5 give us weighting, give us 10. Now once we don't reach here, our LCM go be LCM. Remember what I explained the other time? Just look all of them. The ones with that particular number plenty pass, now you go choose. So for here, we get 2 for all the number, we get 3, we still get 5. No be so? We start with the smallest, 2. The first one, the 2 wey there are just 2. The second one, the 2 wey there are 3. The third one, the 2 wey there are 1. Which is to say that now this one will be 3, 2. Now we go choose. So we get 2 times 2 times 2. We don't finish with 2 with that. Times. We can't go for the next one will be 3. See 3. only one 3 na dey everywhere. So na this 3 we go choose. We get 3 times the last one now na 5. Now only one 5 dey. So we'll put wetin? We'll put 5. Now our LCM will be 2 times 2 na 4. 4 times 2 na 8. 8 times 3 na 24 be that o. 24 times 5 na 120 o. So our LCM na wetin? 120. As I talked before, you say you use multiple method. And so go dey write this thing multiple. The smallest multiple wey you go see among 12, 8 and 10 na be 120. You go know how many times you don write before you go get am. Don't forget o, my name na Nwafọ Emeka Gideon and this na EG Nwafọ Online Maths. We dey make maths very simple for language we understand pass. Thank you for watching. Follow these steps if you wan solve for LCM using Prime Factorization Method. Number 1. List the prime factors wey each of the numbers get. You fit use factor 3 if you want to. Number 2. Choose the prime factors wey big pass from each of the prime numbers wey you don list. Then number 3. Make you times or multiply all the big factors wey you get for each of the numbers. After you don do am like so, na be say your LCM don ready be that. Abeg, solve these problems wey dey your screen now. Make you use Prime Factorization Method to do so. Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our videos, like am, also subscribe so that you go dey get more of such videos. Thank you.